I'm Tyler. Welcome to TEQ. Today we're going to be giving you a tour of our facility, introducing you to some of our people, and showing you where the machines are made. So the first thing we're going to do is take a tour of our offices and introduce you to some of the people that you might speak to on the phone. Come with me. The first person we're going to meet is Jim Day. Jim's the general manager here at TEQ and has been for the last 20 years, so odds are if you've called in, at some point you've talked to Jim. Now let's go down the hall and meet Crystal. So this is Crystal. She's been working here at TEQ for about the last 10 years, almost as long as I have been. When you call in, we ask you questions about the types of jobs that you have in mind and make equipment recommendations based on what you tell us. One of the big differences in calling into TEQ is that you actually get to talk to a human being. You'll call in, you can talk to myself, you can talk to Crystal, we can help you out with technical support, parts, and typically if you give us a call by 2 p.m., we can get parts in a box the same day. We're always here to help, so if you have any questions, just give us a call. So now that we've met some of the people in the office, let's head out to production and meet Mario. So this is our manufacturing area at TEQ. We are housed in a 40,000 square foot manufacturing facility. We fabricate all of the parts for our machines in-house. Some of the processes we employ include cutting the material, forming it, and welding the final products before assembly. So this is Mario, our lead assembly technician here at TEQ. Mario handles everything from start to finish with the machines. He assembles the machines, crates them up, and inspects them so they're ready to ship out from our facility. Thanks, Mario. Well, let's go check out how the machine looks when it arrives. So as you can see, the machine is crated up and ready to ship out. The machines all arrive ready to run. They've all been tested and inspected in-house so that all you have to do when you get the machine is uncrate it, add fuel, and you're ready to go. So that's a little behind the scenes look here at TEQ. If you have any questions about a machine or how it could possibly benefit your business, please feel free to give us a call. Thanks for watching and have a great day.